everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup review. I've been waiting for this palette to come in the mail for a hot minute, and I'm going to rant about it in a minute, but I just want to show you guys this. Like, it's so beautiful and it's so great. Like, oh my god, I want to show you guys the inside. It's so beautiful. Like, everyone that is watching right now probably knows what this already looks like, but I want you guys to see it one more time and probably 100 more times, because like, it's a beautiful freaking palette, and I didn't even mess with all the colors in this palette, and I had to mess with two different kind of colors today, because like, I'm not gonna mess with like only the blues and then like, what the heck, no, I'm gonna do blues and greens, because why the heck not? And I just love how it looks. It looks so good together, and girl, the pigment is real. Like, everything is real. I'm definitely going to be doing more makeup looks with this palette, so that's coming soon. I don't really want to talk a lot in the intro, because I am going to be talking throughout the whole video like a lot about this palette. So if you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm so freaking excited. Like, oh my god, like I'm so excited. So I recently got this in the mail, and I'm so excited to freaking open it. Like, I've been waiting for this for a hot minute since it came out, which was like, what, like 3 months ago. I have the James Charles palette. I put it back in the box because I wanted to show off the box, because it's just so beautiful, and like, oh my god. I've been waiting for this palette for so long. They recently did a restock. I think, was it like Wednesday of like last week? I don't remember. But the most recent restock that they had, I've been saving up for this palette, like money wise, and I finally have it. I've been waiting for 3 months, and I got it. The other times he restocked, I like always put like a timer on, but like I either slept in or I totally forgot about it, and I just kept bashing myself. Like, all I've been doing is just staring at this palette. It's just so beautiful, and I love the packaging. This packaging is so, like, it's gorgeous. Like, so gorgeous. Like, look at this. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, I could get lost in this palette, and just like, it makes me like overwhelmed kind of just looking at it, because like, there's so many looks that I want to do with all of these colors, but I don't know where to start. The other palettes that I have from Morphe are the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and the 9C Jewel Crew palette. I love them both dearly. I use them like no freaking other. Like they're like my holy grail palettes, and I love them. And I just want to get so much more Morphe, because they're just so affordable, first of all. And they're just, Morphe's just nice people. Like, they're just amazing, and for them to work with somebody that is a boy in makeup is just like such a big deal. I never met James Charles, but I do plan on to, and I never met the founder of Morphe, but I plan to, because she's literally gorgeous and amazing, and yeah. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say but to get into this palette. Alright, so the primer that I'm going to be using, I don't really use eyeshadow primers because they're just not my kind of thing. I have tried a couple, but they're just not my cup of tea. Like, I just don't find them working for me. This is the Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in 110 Porcelain. And then to set that, I'm just going to be taking this e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder in the color Clear. Now, let's get into the freaking, like, star of the show. I haven't watched any video about this palette because I want to just be honest and not think of what somebody else is thinking and being like, oh, yeah, when honestly that's not what I think. I'm just saying what that person said, whoever I watched. The only video that I've watched is James Charles like announcing the palette, and like showing the colors and like just showing the whole palette off. Color that I'm going to go in with, I don't know what I want to mess with. I do want to mess with the colors. That's definitely something that I want to do. But what should I mess with? Should I do a cut crease? I'm kind of wanting to do that. Let me actually get some tape so it will be like a sharp line and it's not like I don't have to like clean it up with like a makeup wipe or anything. It's already just cut. So let me get like tape to do that and I'll put that on and I'll be right back. So I'm going to be grabbing the color called B, which is this yellow beautiful shade right here. I'm not going to be swatching them because finger swatches don't say anything about shadows, if they're good or bad, so we're not even going to swatch them. Now I do want to do the test of like if there's a lot of kickback or anything that comes from the palette. Oh yeah, quite a bit actually. But, you know, I don't really care about that, if I'm being honest. Actually, let's not go in with this brush. Let's go in with a smaller brush. Let's go in with this right here, actually. This is the Sonia Kajuk little brush right here. It's just like a little fluffy brush. And I am going to put this like on the inner part of the eye, the crease kind of, the inner crease or whatever. And then we are gonna go in with different colors, I think, and like, yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and yeah, let's see where this goes. This is like yellow, honey. So I'm gonna go in with, what is this color called? Social Blade. With this IBI Beauty crease brush, and I'm gonna just grab that. That color doesn't have as much kickback. Okay. I mean, it really doesn't matter to me, but some people it's really like, for some reason it's like a big deal. And I'm just gonna put that right in the center of it. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I don't have a color like this at all. I'm going to be taking that yellow color with the brush that we used with the yellow color. And just blend the center of that yellow and green shade just to blend it together a little bit. It's gorgeous. Oh my god. Now I'm going to go in with, should I just go ahead and go in with a dark green or should I go in with a different color? Let's go into frickin' Daddy. We're gonna go in with this color right here, which it's like I said, Daddy. And I am going to be grabbing this brush because it like has green on it anyway. So we're gonna go in with that and put it back here. And then I'm going to grab a clean brush, so some Morphe 441 brush, and just blend the edges of that dark green out. I am going to be taking Social Blade again and just popping that back into the look because I feel like it kind of like went away. So I'm just trying to put that color back into this look, obviously, and just kind of help blend Social Blade and Daddy together. And then I'm going to be taking that Morphe brush and just blend everything together very softly. I feel like Daddy's kind of patchy. Is that just me? Not like super patchy, like I could live with it. Like, I feel like it's kind of patchy. Maybe it's the brush that I'm packing it on with. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But that's not a reason not to get this palette. It's, like, not even patchy, but it's just, like, when you go really close to it, it's just, like, just, like, a little bit, because I could see my skin a little bit over here. James did a really good freaking job. Like, I am so proud of him. Alright, on the other side, we are going to be doing... we're going to be messing with the pinks and blues because I want to, and I think I look pretty. I think we're going to be taking Pinkity Drinkity. So I'm going to be taking the same brush that I took the yellow, but I'm just wiping the yellow off on my pants. And grabbing Pinkity Dinkity and do the same exact thing, just put it right here. The color that we're going to be taking is this blue right here because she's really cute and I want to mess with her. That color is Playground. Okay, so I'm going to go in with her. And I'm just going to put her on the middle part, like we did with Social Blade. I don't have a color like this, so I'm very excited. Oh my god, this is like a freaking like cotton candy playground right here. And this is just like slime, so it's like totally different kind of looks right now that I'm kind of living. Wow, I'm loving this eye so far. Like, I haven't even blended out like the whole, like everything yet, but I just love how it looks because like these colors together, oh my god, cotton candy, like, I love it. This is looking real good. Oh my god. I'm going to be taking that pink shade again and just add more a little bit and kind of blend the middle of the blue and pink together a little bit more. So Cola or Brother, I think we're going to go in with Cola. And we're going to do the same exact thing that we did with Daddy. Just put, we're going to put him back here. I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did with Daddy. Just really blow him out, wing him out, and yeah, so I'm going to go do that. So what I'm actually going to be doing is cutting my crease, half cut crease. I was going to be doing a full cut crease, but I'm going to be doing a half cut crease now. I'm going to stop in the middle with the foundation that I'm going to be using, the foundation that I primed my eyes with. Cut my crease with that, and then I'm going to put black on the outer part of the eyes because I really want to try out this black that's in this palette, which is called Spooky. I really want to use that color because it looks like that it will be like really beautiful and pigmented on the eyes, so I really want to mess with that color. So I'm going to go cut my crease, and then I'll let you guys know what kind of shimmer shadow I will be using. And then I'm going to be taking this color called Hello on this eye right here where we cut the crease. Okay, so there's no green shimmer shadow. Well, there is in this palette, but they're not like as light as this blue shade right here. So I'm going to go in with this Revolution palette right here. This is the Reloaded collection, and this palette is called Division. And I'm going to be grabbing this color right here. I would grab something in this palette, but I literally just saw that blue and I wanted to put it on this lid on this side because I just thought it would look really pretty, and I didn't even think of looking for a green glitter that would match it for the other side. So I'm going to be grabbing that green, and then I'm going to be grabbing the black shade in the palette. This is called Spooky. I'm going to be grabbing this brush right here. I don't know what it's called, it doesn't even have a name on it, but I'm just going to put that black on the outer part. Be very careful with this because this is pigmented. I don't want to go too high either. And then I'm going to grab that Morphe brush and blend that. And since I want more glam, I'm going to be grabbing these two glitters right here. And I am going to put it like in the center right here. So these glitters are from Joann's craft store. They were in a makeup aisle for like Halloween makeup and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to find these anywhere, but just grab an eye safe glitter. These aren't eye safe, but like I'm gonna go for it anyway. And the primer that I'm gonna go in with is the Ulta Beauty glitter primer, and I'm just gonna put this in the center and add the glitter. So obviously blue on this side and green on this side. Alright guys, so I did my full face off camera. Now what we're going to be doing is, my face is done. I just need to do a setting spray, but I'm going to do that after I do the bottom lash line. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing right now. I think we're going to do B on the inner corner of the bottom lash line. Basically just like the top. So we did B, and then we did Social Blade, and then Daddy, and then for this side we did Pinkity Dinkity, and then we did Playground, and Cola. So we're going to do the same exact thing on the bottom lash line, not really a big difference there. And then for the inner corner of the eyes, I'm going to go in with Ring Light right here. It's a really pretty color. And I'm just going to take that girly and put her on the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Crayon in Milk. And I'm going to grab a small little brush and grab that product and just put it in my waterline. Alright guys, so I did my hair, and girl, like, I love how this looks. It's so cute. But the lippy that I chose was this Revlon lipstick in the color, matte lipstick in the color Nude Attitude. It's just like a nude, like, yeah. And then I just put on top this Wet n Wild High Shine lipstick and Send Nudes. And that's it. I really love this palette. It's just such a good freaking palette. I haven't used every color in the palette, but I'm sure every color is like bomb AF. Like, look, like, it's just like, it's just a beautiful palette, and I think I'm going to love it. And by the end of March, I feel like this palette is going to be destroyed just by colors everywhere, just like my Jaclyn Hill palette. Like, it's just going to be destroyed. But that means it's well loved, so I mean, I guess that's a good thing. There are definitely going to be more tutorials from me from this, like more natural makeup looks, more like warm tones instead of like colorful makeup looks. So if you want to see that on my channel, then comment down below, or like this video, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button so you can see more looks other than like colorful dramatic makeup looks. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this makeup look. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below what you guys want to see next. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!